Hey, and welcome to
Hitch Up and Tow. In the post today, I received a box, which, if you would have watched our video a couple of weeks ago, 5 upgrades we want to do to our caravan. I'll put a link up the top to it if you haven't seen it. One of the upgrades, I think, has just turned up. If it hasn't, I'll just restart the video and do something different. So, open the box. Oh yeah, this must be those.
What's in the box?
What's in the box? We have 2. Let me see. Let's take these out. Two spotlights, 12-volt spotlights.
Great.
Dimmable. Switchable. We have 2 USB sockets on them.
Oh, that's handy.
So we've got 2 of them. Going to put these above the bed in the caravan. We'll probably eventually do all the lights in the caravan with these. But at the moment, we're going to take the ones out from the bedroom, install these in their place, and then we can charge our mobiles up overnight.
Great.
Plus they're dimmable as well, which I think our old ones aren't dimmable.
No.
So that will be the first of the 5 upgrades we want to do. And guess what?
Well,
I'll be vlogging it. I'm gonna vlog it. So when I come to install them, I'll vlog that. Can't remember exactly how much they cost. I think they're about £20–25 each.
yeah.
Something like that. Just went on the net, had a search for 12-volt USB spot lamps. These came up, so I've ordered them. So we'll Menza LED spotlight, 3 watt. So I'll do a vlog about installing them. Then we'll see how they go and maybe do a review on how well they work.
Great.
So until then,
We'll see you soon.
bye.